Hello guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean wood signs like this one without chemicals, without Clorox, without any mold remover. As you can see, these wooden signs are kind of hard to get to it, so I had to get this lift. These are fine because it got a canopy. Like this one, I need the lift for that because my ladder it makes it more complicated. So this with the canopy I could get with the ladder, but this I can't. Oh, I got 4 wooden signs today to clean. No chemicals, guys. We can't use no chemicals in this because the metal sheets, they can damage, discolorate the metal sheets. And yeah, you see those over there? I did them like that. Just plain water, just straight water, no chemicals. And yeah, and this is my pressure washer right here. It's a steel. I run on my water hose. I got a 100-footer water hose, and this is how you. First things first, you gotta check you got enough gas. Time. I'm gonna check it right now. This thing's kind of empty. And let's go. Time to get this money, man. Let's go. It's all about getting money. There's Saturday, Sunday, Friday. Hey, we gotta make money, man. That's how the world moves. Gotta take care of your family. Yeah, so let's go. Let's get this started. All right, we're up here. So before anything, we gotta wet the concrete around the sign because that wood got some stain that when it touches the concrete, it penetrates the concrete. I'm gonna show you right here. You see the aluminum? You gotta be careful when you pressure wash these signs because that wood stain is real hard to get rid of it later on. All right, so what I did, I rinsed it. I rinsed it first, let it rinse it soaking wet to the point where it's gonna be like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, give it max. That water penetrate the mold. And then go ahead with your turbo. That's it. Don't do it too close though. Look. You can see the difference already. Look at all that mess. That's all the mold, all the grime. Like I said, you gotta wet anything around the sign first before you start pressure washing. Because that stain is real nasty. It will penetrate that concrete, and to get rid of it, I'll show you how it looks at the end. This sign will take me like 20 minutes max, 25. But remember, you gotta clean your areas. All these nasty pieces of wood all around, you gotta clean your area, guy. You gotta be a clean guy, can't be a dirty guy. All here, down with the mat. You gotta look around, make sure you're doing a good job so you can get a call back from these guys. Remember, guys, these people are big time money. This auto detailing, this guy's a construction company, like a real estate guy. The other shop the same. So at this point, we're done with the sign. All I gotta do is rinse. All right, I already rinsed all the sides, the top. This one is done. Like I said, less than 30 minutes, man. Less than 30 minutes. You gotta check everything. Gotta be clean around though. Can't leave no stain, no nothing, no wood particles. So you can get that call back and say, hey, you know, I want you to do these other signs. So off to the next three. And I gotta rinse all that, push it to the. All right, that's how it looks. Dirty ones, nasty ones. It looks like that because the sun haven't touched it, let it dry. An hour later, you're gonna see the difference. Now let's clean this all this grime, nasty shit out of the floor. As you can see, I already cleaned all that nasty shit that was here. I push it all the way to the drain hole. All right, take a little coffee break. I'm a coffee person, so I enjoy drinking some coffee early in the mornings. But yeah, guys, when you're doing these signs, don't be scared. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be saying, "Oh, you damaging the wood." Well, you tell me you want to damage the metal sheets. That's 3 times harder to replace it, expensive, or damage the wood. Which I'm not damaging the wood, but you know I'm being careful with it. You can't use no chemicals in this. Remember, you got those metal sheets, you got those colored tables, whatever you want to call them, guards, and then you got the storefront windows, and then you got the canopy. It's aluminum. Gotta be careful. I got a lot of tips on how to get jobs, from who to get jobs. So stay tuned. Watch my other videos. And yeah, let's get it. Let's keep it going, man. Okay, we got our next victim. All right, Primo's Detailing Studio. All I'm using is plain water. I know you guys not gonna believe me, but rinse it first. Look at the other one. You can see the difference already. Rinse it, wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes, hit it. You know what I'm saying? Look. All right, got the second sign clean. But I got this on top of the canopy, all the trash particles. I know a lot of y'all, we could get away with leaving all this on top of it. But I know I'm a clean person, so I'm gonna pressure wash this out. If the owner decides to climb on the ladder and look at it, and it is like that, then what are you gonna say? That's what you got. You know, when you do a good job, you feel confidence. You know, and you do a good job. All right, off to the next one. All right, I'm working on my last one. So yeah, working on my last one. Going up. All right, what we got here? We're gonna go ahead and rinse it. Wait 5 minutes. All right, so since I started over there, I'm bringing it this way. So you want to press wash that way, so all that nasty stuff can flew that way. All right, we done for today. It took me less than 3 hours for this job. So yeah, so it's time to wrap it up and head home, man. It's Sunday. Yeah, hit me up if you want more tips, how to get jobs, how to work smart. And like I say, always do a clean job. Always pressure wash all the nasty stuff to the drain hole. You see what I did over here? Everything. See you guys on the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and recommend, man. Share this. Send it to your friends or whatever. I do all kind of side jobs like pressure washing, drywall, stucco, fence, landscaping. I do it all, man. So stay tuned.